All right, this is why we like this one so much. This one was $40. You've seen it run around. This is the same kind of crap that you can get for $40 on Amazon.
Can I at least make it up the other one? Got caught on the thing. It's so unbearably slow.
It is, isn't it?
I mean, the steering angle's pretty good, I guess. Oh, it keeps hitting this little thing right here. Can it do the wheels, Dale? Oh, I almost backflipped. Actually, the bumper doesn't seem that bad. I might. Oh, no, it's solid though. They're so slow and like so dramatic.
Oh, come on.
Hey, they're decent for derby, I guess. I'm gonna push them where you can't go. It's not so trash.
We made it better. We put the body on the Frenzy. So we're also taking a look at these. This one is I believe it's the 8086. And then we have a GTR.
I mean, the windows are a little goofy, but
Yeah. In the box, you get a set of regular tires with it. It's got the drift tires on it. Two batteries, clips, a tool, and then the bottle for putting liquid in the car.
what if I put Pepsi in it? Oh, that was kind of cool. Oh, no. Oh, it landed on the splitter, though. Wait, is the splitter rubber? No, it's just a very flimsy plastic. Hold on a minute. Do you think I can make it up here? It just went, nope. Literally, it's perfect, but all it needs is proportional steering. Like, that is the only thing wrong with it.
Okay, so I put the rubber tires on mine, the white one there, and let's just see the difference.
Oh, wow.
No drifting, but it's a little bit faster.
Whoa.
These do smoke too, so he put some soda in there, and let's try it.
Oh. I mean, you can't really see it from a distance, but no, the splitter.
No burnout for the rubber tires. Oh.
Sounds like you're breaking something. Oh.
This GTR owner's an asshole.
Nah, I think he's a pretty nice guy.
Okay, so I've set up a little race course. Threw those up, over, on the ramp, and then come back. I got a camera set up down there. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I didn't make the finish line. You win. I went around the cone. No.
Yours just seems faster than mine for whatever reason.
Oh, I'm gonna lose again. I rolled.
What? What?
Mechanic problem.
That's full throttle in reverse.
So that's the first and only issue we've had with these. Besides the wheel nut falling off, that's a mechanic problem. All right, so make sure you tighten on the wheels. And if you fill up the little smoky thing, don't use Pepsi probably. All right guys, these are a lot of fun just to mess around with, especially if you got someone else to race with. So I'll leave a link down in the description for these if you want to pick up your own. Okay, so we got 2 of them left. This one here is the mini fighter buggy. The other one is this cybertruck.
Oh, wait a minute. Watch the way. Watch.
Oh, that was pretty cool.
Oh. This thing's actually really cool.
I think it's got a drone motor in it, it said, or something. 8520 motor, I think. Nice.
What? Oh, that was actually kind of cool. I don't think I'm going to be able to replicate that. Oh, watch this. Watch. Oh, it. Oh. Oh. It's literally like a mini bee, except for mini. Watch this. It looks so cool when it jumps. This thing is so cool. It's got rear suspension. It's actually really soft.
No front suspension.
Yeah, no front.
It uses the plastic in the arms to kind of flex. Yes.
Oh, it almost. What? Hold on, do you think I can make it back up again?
Nope.
Whoa.